Yes, Rashmi, where are others, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I informed them in group, ma'am. They are coming.
Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So yesterday's class, I have stopped at deleting elements in tuple, right?
Yes, ma'am. Example also over.
Okay. So today we'll be starting with tuple comprehension. Okay. Let's just wait for another 2 minutes and then I'll start the class. Okay. Yes. Now, if I am trying to open this programs, are you able to see me? Ideally?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. You can see.
Okay, fine. Yes, at 12:45, I will start the class again. Okay. I'll not wait for anyone.
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon, ma. Okay, let's start the class now. Sorry, I have a little bit cold. Okay, ma. So we have discussed about list comprehensions. Okay, and tuple features in the last class, right? Okay, so what are the methods we are having in it and what are the functions we'll be having in it? Now, today we'll be seeing tuple comprehension, okay, and what are generators, yield, okay, and conversion of list comprehension to a tuple, different methods involving in it, iterators and iterables, and zip function, okay. So these are the topics which we'll be discussing about today. Okay, so coming to tuple comprehension, can anyone say whether tuple comprehension is possible or not?
Geeta?
Yes, guys, everyone is back. Shall I start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, tuple comprehension is possible or not? Can
Possible.
anyone answer? Is it possible? Simply without using anything, just how list comprehension is possible in the same way tuple comprehension is
No,
possible.
ma'am. No, ma'am. Not possible.
Why? Because a tuple is immutable. So here the tuple comprehension becomes very complex and limited. Okay. But still, if you want to perform tuple comprehension, what you can do is it can be achieved by wrapping a tuple around a generator object. Okay, so what is the generator object?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, your voice is not
Yes,
here.
yes, sorry. I forgot and unmuted it. Okay, okay, fine. Sorry, I'll explain it. Till where you have understood? Okay, you need the definition of generator, right? So generator function is nothing but it is also like a normal function, but whenever it needs to generate a particular value, it need to use yield keyword. Okay, yield keyword rather than return. Okay, but again you may have a doubt. What is this yield keyword? Okay, in Python, yield keyword is used to return from a function without destroying the states of its local variable. And when the function is called, the execution starts from the last yield statement. Okay, any function that contains a yield keyword is nothing but a generator. Simply, you need to remember yield definition as a generator, okay, which consists, yield is a keyword which can be used in order to return a particular value. Okay, instead of return, we'll be using yield keyword in Python generators. Okay, so coming to tuple comprehension, using this particular generator object, you will be trying tuple comprehension. But you need to know that tuple comprehension or in general comprehension works by looping or iterating over items. That is nothing but you know about for loops, right? For loops, while, these are nothing but looping or iterators, right? Are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
there? Okay. See, simple ma. List comprehension contains syntaxes, okay, in order to perform the operations. But coming to tuple comprehensions, whenever you try to do the same way where you have performed list comprehensions, you'll be getting a generator error. Okay, so in order to handle them and work comprehension on your tuples, you'll be using these generator objects. Okay, what does these do? These will be using yield keyword, which will be returning the values, and your tuple comprehension will be considered. Okay, that's the reason a tuple comprehension is considered to be a less fundamental than your list comprehension. Okay, next you are having is conversion of list comprehension to tuple. Yesterday I have told you, right, how you can convert a particular tuple into a list.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how you'll be doing that one?
And first we have to consider tuple into list. We have to do modification. Then we have to consider again it is into tuple.
Yes, first for that one, to append or remove any elements in a particular tuple, what you can do is you need to first convert that particular tuple into a list. You can append or remove the elements which are in that particular list. And again, you need to convert that list into a tuple. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that way you can edit or perform operations on a tuple. Okay, so whenever we are trying to convert this, sometimes that is nothing but sometimes while working with data, we have a problem in which we need to perform type interconventions of data. Okay, yesterday I have told you, right, to perform certain operations over a particular data, you have how you will be converting a tuple into a list and again converting a tuple. Same way, whenever we need to perform such operations, these type of conversions from tuple to list and again list will be converted into tuple. Those are nothing but type of interconventions of data. Okay, You are the data is converted into different types in order to perform actions on it. Okay, so there can be a problem in which we may need these convert integral list elements to single element tuples, etc. Okay, so in order to get rid of this problem, we are having two methods. First one is by using list comprehension, and second one is we'll be using zip function. Okay, in first method using list comprehension, what we can do? In list comprehension can be used as a shorthand method to solve this particular problem. Okay, in this way, we can iterate through the particular list and convert each integer element into a tuple object. Okay, shall I show you an example for this one to
Yes,
for
ma'am.
you people to easily understand it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
For these two, I'll show the example. Anna. Just let me explain the other one also. Okay. So list comprehension, what we'll be doing? We'll be iterating through the whole list. Okay, and convert each integer element into a tuple object. That is for using list comprehension. Okay, and next is using zip along with list. Okay, this is the simplest method which we can perform on this particular task. What we will be doing is the zip, when applied to that particular list of integers, it converts each element into a tuple. Okay, and returns a zip object, and that can be converted back into a list using list method. Okay. Okay, I'll show the example for both the one so that you can have a better understanding about it. Okay, see this programmer? How you need to convert, that is an integral list to a tuple list using list comprehension. Okay, are you able to see the programmer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, here I have initialized a list, t underscore list is equal to 1. This particular list consists of 5 elements. Okay, 1, 4, 6, 8, and 9. Okay, so now next what I will be doing, I'll be printing the original list, which is consisting of this one. Okay, now for converting that particular list into a tuple list using list comprehension, what I can do, this res is nothing but the resultant list. Okay, so in that one, I'll be selecting the element for element in T list. Okay, and the resultant will be printed. So let's see the execution of this particular program. Okay, see, the original list which we had was 1, 4, 6, 9, and 8 and 9, right? After conversion, and it has been converted into tuple list. How we got them? In that particular list only, the integers has been converted into tuple items. See, right? Everyone understood? Are you able to see the output, Amma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, got it? This is how using this list comprehension, we can perform operations on a tuple.
Ma'am, once again explain, ma'am.
Where you didn't get the topic? I mean, where you have the doubt?
Ma'am, this printing original list from there, ma'am. A little bit confusion.
Okay, see, first we are trying to create a list. Okay, that particular list using a list conversion, we are converting it to a tuple list. Okay, so
Okay,
first for that one, what we have done, we have created a list which consists of integers. Okay, and we have printed to print that one, I have used print statement for that one. Next, I need to convert that particular original list in using type conversion, that is list comprehension, right? So for that one, what is the syntax? The resultant list which you want is equal to element. ELE is nothing but it is representing the element which is present in the original list, Nana.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
for that element in T list. So every element which is present in the original list will be compared and will be converted into your tuple list. Okay, until and unless
Okay,
these
ma'am.
elements have been completed. Okay, so
Okay,
again,
ma'am.
this resultant list will be displayed using the last statement, print statement. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
got it? This is the output you'll be having. Okay. Got the difference, Nana? How we'll be converting a particular list into tuple by using list comprehension. You want to note it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
How
first
you
write.
converted, ma'am?
First
List
write
to
the.
tuple.
Yes, we are using list comprehensions. List comprehension. What is the syntax for that one, Mitesh? In yesterday's class, I have told you the list comprehension syntax. So using that one only, we have converted a particular list into an tuple list. Okay, so this is the syntax which we'll be using here. Okay, X for X in list. You just go back to your list comprehension notes, then you'll be knowing what we have performed here. Okay. Okay, ma. So write down the definition for tuple comprehension. Shall I start? Yes, write down the definition for tuple comprehension, ma. We can perform comprehension. We can perform comprehension to sequences such as lists, sets, dictionaries, but not to tuples. Okay. Note down the next topic, Amma. Conversion of list comprehension to tuple. Conversion of list comprehension to tuple. Right on. In order to convert single integral list elements to single element tuples we have.
Ma'am, can you tell once again, starting onwards?
Which one, ma'am?
This conversion of list compression. tuple.
Yes. In order to convert integral list elements, to single element tuples, in order to convert integral list elements to single element tuples, you have two methods. Method 1, by using list comprehension. Method 1, by using list comprehension. And method 2, by using zip function. Okay. Method 1, using list comprehension. In this method, we can iterate through the list and convert. In this method, we can iterate through the list and convert each integer element into a tuple object. Okay, write down this example, Ma. Are you noting it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, note down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, make it fast. Ma. For your understanding, I have given the comments. Please don't write it down. You just understand them and write only the code. Okay. Yes, write in the output. Done with the program? Okay, Ma, are you done? Shall I go to the next topic?
No, ma'am.
Make it fast, Nana. You need to complete the topic today. Don't write the comments. Okay, just simply write the code.
Completed.
Mitesh, you have completed?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
able, yes, are you able to understand that the list comprehension and how we have converted using list comprehension, a list into a tuple?
Yes, ma'am. I was absent for that code, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. It's okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Yes, let's go to zip example, Nana. Okay, same program. If we use zip, how it will be done? Okay, the list is same, just we'll be using zip. Okay, and this particular zip function I have used on sets, dictionary as well as enum. Okay, same list. How will be getting the output for sets, enum and dictionary. Enum is not required for you, but sets and dictionary you write out example. Okay, so here is the program. Are you able to see that one, Ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, note it down fast. Okay, so in this particular program, we are having two lists. Okay, a list which consists of names of particular students. Okay, and another list is of their roll numbers. Okay, now we are combining these two lists. Okay, and we are mapping them. How it is done? Okay, we are converting into sets. No, write down the program.
Method 2, ma'am.
Yes, method 2. We are performing zip function on sets. Okay, we are converting these particular two lists into set. Okay, using zip
Ma'am,
function.
definition in the
Zip function kanana చెప్పలేదా నేను?
లేదు మ్యామ్ చెప్పలేదు.
ఓకే, అయితే మెథడ్ 2 కి జిప్ డెఫినిషన్ రాసేసుకోండి. ఓకే, method 2 using zip function. Method 2 using zip function with list. With list or using list. The zip method when applied, the zip method when applied to list of integers, the zip method when applied to list of integers, it converts each element to tuple. The zip method when applied to list of integers, it converts each element to a tuple. To a tuple. Then it returns Then it returns a zip object. Then it returns a zip object and then converted back to list, and then converted back to list using list function. Using list function. Ma, this zip function is same as your RAR file. How you zip it? If you want to zip your files, same way this zip function works. Okay. Are you done with writing this one? Shall I show you the example program?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first write the program for sets. After this, you need to know how you will be unzipping also. So make it fast, Nana. Yes. Shall I execute the program now?
Yes, ma'am. Out.
Yes. Let's see. See. This is how you'll be getting the output. You got insights, right? Okay. The names have been mapped to their roll numbers and been kept in the sets. Over? Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, we'll be going to zip with Enum. Okay. Same to list. Okay. Will be C. Okay. These are the names and their ages.
Ma'am, ఇది రాయాలా?
Yes, Sanna, you just want to write, see the output for this ma. Okay, no need for writing it because you don't have this one. Okay, so here is the, okay, with index, it will be showing you. Okay, 0, 1, 2, right? Okay, understood this example, Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next we'll be going to dictionary. Yes. See, In dictionary, how we'll be having the elements in it in a dictionary?
Keys and values.
Okay, so when you are zipping it, we need to get the output in that way only, right? We'll see whether we'll be getting the same output or not. Okay, write down the program, Nana. I'll show the output for you. Okay.
Ma'am, from tomorrow you'll start revision, ma'am.
I don't think so. You need revision?
Portion finished, ma'am.
No. You have sets also. You have dictionaries also.
Ma'am, for mids only list and tables, ma'am.
Yeah, list and tuples only. But I'll ask your concerned senior persons what they are doing. Then I'll let you know. Okay, whether we need to continue with the syllabus or if we have completed the mid portion, we can do revision. Okay, I'll just ask them and inform you about this question bank as well. Okay.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Thanks.
Okay. Make it fast now. Shall I execute it?
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, I'll run it then. See. How have we got this? In the form of dictionary, right?
Ma'am, one skip example, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Completed, ma? Shall I go to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See. Once we are done with zipping a particular list of integers and converting it into that, we need to unzip it as well, right? That is nothing but once a list has been converted into tuple, again, after performing operations on it, that particular tuple has to be converted again back to a list, right? Okay, So that process is nothing but unzipping. Okay, simply we can say that unzipping is converting the zipped values back to the individual self as they were. Okay, and this particular unzipping operation is done using star operator. Okay, got it? Yes, guys.
Writing definition, ma'am.
Okay, make it fast. I'll show you the example of it.
మ్యామ్
Yes, Satish.
కొంచెం బిఫోర్ స్లైడ్ ఒకసారి పెట్టండి మ్యామ్
ఏది
నాకు నెట్
నాన్న?
అది ఇదే ఇదే
ఇది నేను ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పేశాను. I'll put this one in your attendance thing, no? మీ CMS లో పెడతాను కదా, you can see.
సరే మ్యామ్ నాకు కొంచెం నెట్ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చిండే మ్యామ్ అందుకే
It's okay.
సరిగ్గా కనెక్ట్ అవుతలే.
Okay, fine.
ఓకే
Okay. Now
Okay,
write the
ma'am.
definition for unzip and note down the example of it. Okay. Make it fast, Nana. Unzip process is a little bit heavy, so the program code would be a little huge compared to your zipping process. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Definition completed.
Completed. Satish, make it fast. I'll give 1 minute for you to write the definition.
ఓకే మ్యామ్
Okay. Then I'll go for example of unzipping.
ఓకే మ్యామ్
Done? Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, wait.
Mitesh, make it fast. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, ma. See this example. In this Python code, it demonstrates the working of unzip, how unzip works. Okay. See, initially for sets, on performing zip function on sets, I have given this example, right? Name and roll number. Okay. So see, here first what we'll be doing, we'll be initializing the list which we have used for zipping purpose. Okay. So those are nothing but first list is consisting of the names of the students. Okay. Next list consists of their roll numbers and next list consists of their marks. Okay. What we are using, you are using zip to map values. Okay. So mapped is equal to zip of whatever, what all you want to map it, you'll be giving it this one. Okay. You want to map name, roll number and marks. Okay. In order to unzip it, first you need to zip the values. So here I have mapped that one is equal to zip of name, roll number and marks. Okay. In this particular statement, we are using zip to map the values of each list. Okay. And now next one need to do after mapping them, you need to convert them. Okay. Converting those particular values to print as list. So for that one, you will be giving list of mapped. Okay. Next, what after that we need to print the resultant values. So for that one, you will be using this statement. The zipped result is okay and print mapped. So this is what we have performed on zipping. Okay. So for this particular list or values, we'll be performing unzipping. So for that one, what we need to do, see this one, ma. Unzipping the values. For that one, you need to give name, okay, roll number, and marks. See it clearly. Okay, I'm converting these with different names and I'm unzipping them using star for mapped one. Okay, then we'll be getting the unzipped result. Okay, first I want to print initial list, then the final list. Okay, shall I show you the output? Are you done with writing the program?
No, ma'am. The whole we should write, ma'am.
Yes, you need to create a list. In this particular program, you are creating a list, okay? And then you are mapping the values, that is, you are zipping them. And then you are again unzipping the values after conversion, okay? So in the whole program, you need to know the lists which are converted and mapped using zipping. And then you need to unzip them. Okay, for that reason, it will be a little bit lengthy compared to your zip functions. So this will be the output we'll be getting. See. Okay, make it fast, Nana. I'll answer your roll call number 1. Anvesh?
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
Okay. 2. Anil. Anil is
Who,
present. Arun. 2 is absent. 2 is absent, Nana. Yes. Next 3. Roll number 3, present or absent? Okay, 3 is absent. 4. Vishwajna is also absent.
Absent, ma'am.
Okay, 5 is present. 6, 7, 8.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 9, 10. 10 is absent, right?
Absent, ma'am. 10.
Okay,
Ma'am.
11, 12, 13, 14.
14 not.
Ma'am, 9 present, ma'am.
Yes, ma. I'm watching you in the list of participants. From there, I'm taking the attendance. 14 is absent. Okay, 15.
Pawan.
15. Yes, 15 is absent, I think. 16 is present. 17.
Present, ma'am.
18, 19, 20. 20 is present. Or Dikshit is absent. 21. Absent. 22 is present. Who is 23, Nana?
Ma'am, absent, ma'am.
Okay. 24.
Present, ma'am.
25 is present. 26, 27.
Ma'am, 27 present, ma'am.
Yes, Sandeep. Yes. 28. 29. Absent?
Ma'am, 28 present.
Yes, I got it. 29. 30. 31,
30,
30, 31 is also absent. 32 is present. 33, 33,
Present, ma'am.
33.
Present, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 34, 34, 34 is absent, ma. 35 is present, 36 present, 37 present, 38 present, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Vishwagnya, where is this guy? Yes, ma, the absentees I'm reading out. 2, 3, 10, 14, 15, 20, 21, 23, 29, 30, 31, and 34. Okay, these are the absentees for today.
మ్యామ్
Yes, Satish.
మ్యామ్ ఫర్ పీపీ టిక్ టాక్ వీడియో అంటే మేము కనిపించాలా లేకపోతే ఆడియో ఉంటే సరిపోతుందా మ్యామ్?
I think you people, could you please ask your in charge?
No problem, madam.
Okay.
Ma'am,
only audio it seems, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma.
ma'am, Vinay, ma'am.
Yes, Vinay.
జస్ట్
Ma'am, I asked for sir, but sir said we have to do with audio with video.
Both they are saying.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it depends on, it differs from department to department. That is the reason I asked you now.
Hari video manadu undala?
Yes, I mean, you are, you need to be.
TikTok videos are only audio and conceptual videos, they said video.
Yes, video. Actually, that is the thing. But if your sir says it that way, you please do in that
మ్యామ్
way.
అక్కడ ఎట్లుందంటే ఆడియో ఆర్ వీడియో అని ఉంది మ్యామ్. సో ఓన్లీ ఆడియో చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది కదా మ్యామ్?
It's okay. It's your comfort then. If it is saying either of them, then you can go with whichever you are comfortable with.
Vinay,
Okay.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
madam.
Once you call for Narendra sir and ask. Just now I asked if I ask all this, sir may scold me.
Okay, fine. You just try to speak up with sir and then let us know. Okay.
Madam, listen.
Class yes,
Okay,
Vinay. Okay. So
Okay.
have you completed this example, Nana? Shall I leave then?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys. Take care then. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
రేపు క్లాస్ ఉందారా?